Hey guys, Everything RC here. This is gonna be a fairly quick video. Just thought I would upload something before the weekend because I don't think I'll upload this weekend or Friday because we got school off. We had some intense wind yesterday. It was probably gusting up to 60 miles an hour. We had severe wind through here. I'm kind of assessing the damage. The reason why I said this is gonna be a quick video is because I already gone through the woods and found a blockage. It's behind me. I already saw 4 deer and 4 rabbits, but yeah, it's all damage through here, all wind damage. And here's the blockage. There's another one over there that I can see too now that I'm looking at it. This is a fairly big tree, literally blocking my way. I don't even know, because I can't really go around it because barbed wire fence is there, and that's all briar, and I have to go through the mud. The only way I'm really seeing to go through this is somehow just make my way through here slowly but surely. Oh, this tree is really dead. Look at this. Like nothing. I don't know what kind of tree this is. I'm trying to smell it and see if there was. Oh wait, no, I'm an idiot. It's I think it's a. No. No, I still don't know. I think it's an oak, but I'm sorry for all you tree lovers out there. If any tree lovers watch these videos. I don't know my trees unless it's like a pine tree, a birch, or sassafras. And maple. I know maple. There we go. Well, that's gonna be an issue. Oh, it's a lot more damage than I thought that would happen through here. Well, this is towards the entrance of our woods, so these trees take the most wind force. Look at that, all is blown down. This is crazy. I'm just gonna go check a rabbit spot, see if we can't get a rabbit on video here. There's some really fat ones I saw earlier. Deer tracks. Is it focused? Yeah, it is. Right there. Doesn't look like there's anything in there. Can't see in there. Nope, there's nothing. I still got like 2 or 3 more spots to check for rabbits though, so I don't have my gun with me. This was supposed to be a quick trip, but I've already been up here for like 50 minutes because he wanted me to go check all the trails and see the damage. This is really the main spot of damage. There's other trees down, but they're not across the trail. Yeah, look at that. It's all blown down. And way over there, way over there, it's really bad. It looks like a tornado went through, but I don't think one did, so. Kinda smells funny over here. Huh. This video's a bit longer than I thought it would be, but yeah. That's the other rabbit spot out there. Not quite seeing any rabbits yet. Might be one here though. Nope. I really thought there would be. But I guess not. Oh, someone's here. Pick up the kids. Alright, last spot, and then I'm gonna end the last 2 spots. Nothing in there. Last spot. Yep, there's one right there. I don't think you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Right there. I got it centered, literally centered. On the rabbit. Like in the center of the camera. There's that better look in the center. Get. Yeah, he's gone. Alright. So is everything I see. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.